So how have we responded to fraudsters constantly evolving the way they attack us? Well, I guess the most obvious response is we've adopted Mitek's Digital Defender product because we recognise the benefits that that could bring us to emerging fraud threats. We've always, as a bank, been cognizant of the fact that fraudsters don't rest on their laurels. They're constantly evolving and thinking of new ways to attack us and our customers. So in many ways, we've always been pretty agile and receptive to this kind of thing. For example, we've got a range of different authenticators to suit customers in different scenarios. And we have a risk-based authentication model whereby we will present a different authenticator based on the particular attack, the particular scenario, the particular customer. But I guess one thing to point out we've been doing of late is to try to encourage customers to move away from our more legacy-based authenticators, usually phone-based, to what are more modern and more robust and secure authenticators, things like passkeys, more app-based authentication. And I guess the challenge there is customers tell us from research that they really trust phone-based authentication. They perceive it to be more secure, they think the bank is more involved in the situation, so they want to continue using it. And they are secure, but we know that more modern authenticators are that bit more secure, if you like. And the balance there is encouraging people to use it whilst not scaring them that the thing they've been relying on for many years is faulty, because it's not. But we just know that we've got better tools available for them. So it's just that education piece really, but I think the biggest impact on kind of a macro level to fraudsters changing their tactics is the awareness at an executive level. We've always been aware of fraudsters changing their tactics, as I said, and of AI in general, but I think the awareness of how mature AI is now and how prescient things like deepfakes are in this market has really changed our approach. And by that I mean, when I need to ultimately get approval to invest in these capabilities, it's a much easier sell than it was probably even 6 to 9 months ago. Because we know it's not a threat for the future, it's something that's happening right now. You know, there's a lot more attention coming to me, and when I ask for support, I get it much more quickly than I ever did before.